What's up, machine freaks? I hope your day is going fantastic. It is for me. Look at all the cars we have here. And there's even more. And then we have a Duramax. Last night we didn't have time to unload this thing. Today we don't have time to unload this thing. Well, at least not now. It's about 12 o'clock. My family and I are going to meet. We're gonna have a quick picture time session. This guy came.
I don't know what to say to YouTubers.
That's fine. Prince, are you gonna be in the picture? We gotta take this thing off again. I will eventually take care of that. Are you taking Prince with us?
No.
Sit. Sit. Good dogs. Get it. Give it to me. Good boy. Good boy. You ready for it there, killer? That's it. Good dogs. He's a good fetch dog. Today we're going on my dad's boat. We're getting fuel for it right now. So what's the deal, Dad? Why do we get gas here and not there?
I caught a wall.
Cheaper. So we save money. Cole's the man for the job. Cole, the boat's this way. Well, it's good we brought our own gas. That thing doesn't look too healthy. You film everything?
Yeah. Come on, man, give me some space.
Look at all the birds. Quack, 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 quack. They're ship machines. Really? First ride? It's fast.
Gotta get my seat lit.
The first time Dad let me drive it, I accidentally
Almost killed me.
Yeah, that. I was expecting the bird crap to be a lot worse.
No, I watched it.
We have a lot of spectators. Kerplunk. How long does 14 gallons usually last in this thing?
Depends how fast you go.
Is this boat fast?
Going 60, 70 miles an hour. It doesn't last very long.
Yeah, how clean that is.
Want me to release this all the way, Dad? Will it go faster?
Once
Not
it,
really?
yeah. Matter of fact, you can take that big cap off now.
Maximum flow. So the reason why Cole's doing so well at this pumping thing is because that's his profession. So the problem that we have is this boat only accepts 6 people. Well, legally, we have 7 people. We're gonna have to go ahead and take turns or something. I mean, Dad, we could take off right now. They still gotta walk a couple hundred yards. So Cole, what do you expect on this first venture out? I haven't seen it either.
I'm looking forward to the funny stuff that Grandpa's gonna have to say.
We got the whole family here, Grandpa. That sounds mean.
Shut that down with the mom's guys.
Rides like a Cadillac. We're basically doing a wheelie.
I've seen it worse than this. You come out sometime and just turn around and go back in because it's just no fun. Wasn't that bad when we got there, but then the wind started picking up and these boats, because they all swarm in down there, you know, they all park next to each other. So when they're going to get out, the wind's pushing them. As soon as they pull the anchor, the wind's swinging them around. Oh, what a cluster. Cutting each other's anchor ropes with their power. Oh, it was funnier than hell. I stayed out that day. I was out a little further because I knew as soon as you pull your anchor, man, you just start moving.
Is this blood from the last victim? Yeah, you will.
I'll put it on my neck.
You're not gonna wear my GoPro because you'll lose it. We just got done pumping up the tube. This guy's going tubing. I don't know about Cole. Cole, you gonna go?
I might go.
He might go. I don't think I'm gonna make it.
All right, I'm pulling in.
I'm gonna lay down.
Oh, we're ready to rock and roll, Captain. Feels like deadliest catch. We got a big one. Finner, she says. Finner, she said. She's gonna wish she didn't say that. She's a trooper. She's hanging on. Oh. She fell off. We lost our passenger. How did she fall off there?
Probably got tired. Takes a lot out of you.
Yeah.
Not quite a bit.
Yeah, she was on there for like 5 miles. What happened?
I flipped.
You flipped?
I put too much weight on one side.
Nicole wants to go on.
No, I'm not gonna go on yet.
Come on.
She loves that damn thing.
Sky, I'm gonna head back in because I gotta take Cole, but I'll pull you.
How'd you like your first boating experience?
Oh, it was absolutely amazing, folks.
You like my shades?
Your what?
My shades?
Aren't they females?
Yes,
shades?
yeah.
Oh, okay. I mean, they look good on you. How's those exhaust fumes?
Magnificent.
What's wrong with linesmen? It's
I've never seen you climb a tree.
Telephone poles are not trees.
A lot of dead fish. We're gonna pick one up for dinner. Refreshing. Dylan's gonna go for a rip.
Watch that motor.
Lose him.
No, don't lose it.
He's our next victim, I mean rider. See you, sucker.
I knew he'd lose it.
I'll go all the way back to the harbor unless anybody else wants to go.
No, you won't.
My grandpa's got some relationship advice.
Marry him.
We're kind of hungry. Let's go get lunch and then we'll get them.
No.
You lost the shorts? Did you really?
Yeah.
You lost your shorts, Dad.
Almost lost my underwear too. They weren't on when I fell off.
Dad, you lost your shorts.
I know.
Are we gonna find them?
don't know. It's my favorite pair too.
I'll have to buy a new pair of shorts.
Dylan lost my dad's favorite pair of swim trunks. We just got back. He's smoking next to the field. I'm gonna step away. I'm gonna go help them. I was expecting to come back to the truck and it'd be on fire.
You got the hot dogs, my dad.
We made it to a bar to eat. I guess my grandfather's brother used to own this place way back in the day. I don't think I'm allowed up here, but my phone's up here. Just like that, they're gone. Those two are headed to Florida. He's headed to Rochester. Grandpa, the viewers missed you.
Huh?
The viewers missed you.
What viewers?
My viewers.
Oh, yeah.